Hey, before we get started, if you'd like to get the ultimate guide to trading profitably in 2022, just text the word trading to 66866. That's trading, TRADING, to the number 66866. Now let's get to the episode. Hey guys, Mubarak here of In Penny Stock and Crypto Theory. Hope you're doing well. In this episode, I want to talk about how to buy crypto. All right, you've heard about it constantly. You want to get involved. Let's get into the top trading platforms and just understanding the basics of like what app to download. Do you need to call somebody? Like how does this even work, right? So I want to go into a couple of them. There's probably about 5 trading platforms that I would recommend, and they're all different based on where you are and how experienced you are. So we'll start with the beginners and the basics, right? So the most interesting one I would say probably, but is the most basic, is like Robinhood. So you've probably heard of Robinhood before. If you've been interested in stock trading at all, they have a platform that has free commission trading, meaning there's no fees when you buy or sell stocks. And last year, they also released their crypto platform, maybe 2 years ago. But they have, and also, no transaction fees. Again, they have 0% transaction fee on it, which is pretty awesome because Coinbase, Gemini, all these other ones that I'm going to go into, they're great for other reasons, but Robinhood is a great beginner platform. So you can start with as little as a single dollar. There's no need to buy a whole coin. They have what's called fractionalized coins, meaning, you might have heard Bitcoin is $20,000. Well, it's okay. You can literally buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. So that way, if you feel like it's going to go up or down, or you feel like it's a asset that you want to be part of, and you feel like it's going to have a long-term growth because it's here to stay, it's going to be adopted by, on an international scale, on a higher level. You want to be able to tell your kids that you bought it at this certain price point, whatever it is, right? You're able to do that with Robinhood. And again, this is not investment advice. It's purely educational. You can sign up very fast through your phone. On their website, they literally say it's like faster than ordering takeout fast. You can start small. Again, there's no need to buy a whole coin. You can start with as little as $1. And you can essentially find your favorite ones. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. It has all of the appropriate protection, security, cold storage, crime insurance against theft and cybersecurity breaches. So it's all good. It's just not a super complicated platform, meaning it doesn't have as much information and detail. So as if you're just going to be someone who just is kind of dipping their toes into investing and stuff, then if you just want to I just want to buy Bitcoin and that's it. This is probably the right exchange for you or the right app for you. But they don't have there's almost 20,000 cryptocurrencies out there today. There's probably 100 or less on Robinhood. Now, it's the top 100, so that's great. But if you are looking into speculating or any other ones, then you're not going to get that overall. So just, keep that in mind. Now, the second one that I would say, and this is the one that I've used the most probably, even though I don't use it for like day trading. I use it for kind of long holding altcoins. Swing trading, basically, is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase has had, they've been kind of like the signature cryptocurrency exchange or DeFi trading platform on, in the world, basically. They had a massive rise and gain on their stock price. Like they became $1 billion company. They were just founded in 2012. They're already doing close to $8 billion in revenue, and they have almost 4,000 employees. But they did an IPO in like April 16, 2021 at an amazing like $342, and unfortunately they're down to like $50. So their market cap has dropped a ton. It's at like 11.48 billion. But Coinbase is still probably a good long-term choice. It's going to be in a cryptocurrency exchange that lasts a while. All the employees, it's pretty interesting. They operate via remote work, and the company lacks an actual physical headquarters, but it is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by trading volume. Again, founded in 2012 by like a former Airbnb engineer, this guy Brian Armstrong, and this guy Fred Ursum, who was a former Goldman Sachs trader who later joined as a co-founder. So, great growth story. But in general, getting back to it, Coinbase, they have hundreds and hundreds of cryptocurrencies, so still a lot more assets than, say, something like a Robinhood, but they are notoriously known to have a lot of fees, right? So, like, again, if you're going like on the institutional level, they have something called like Coinbase Institutional. Like, if you're going to make your life into trading and, you've been making good profits, then you want to look at Coinbase Institutional. They kind of like, they used to have something called Coinbase Pro, essentially. And so they still have that. It's still pretty good. So Pro Coinbase is one of the better kind of quote unquote like exchanges that you would want to at least platform that you would want to be involved in. So that's always kind of just something to keep in mind. But Coinbase is kind of one step up from Robinhood. It's good. It's on your iPhone. It's an app. It's something that you can really use to kind of help stay ahead of the market and just have a good platform, essentially, if you're looking for an actual crypto trading platform. Okay, Coinbase can take you a while. Again, just has higher trading fees, and easy to use for cryptocurrency beginners. Has a decent amount of cryptocurrencies, and you can actually, they have some cool thing, and we're going to link to all this below, but they have something where you can literally like earn almost like $50 worth of cryptocurrency if you just watch some videos, like educational. I guess it's like a promotional platform situation, but just something interesting to know. And then there's kind of like the up and comer that was doing really well, and now we're interested to see where it goes. And it can either be like the next beast in the market, or it can kind of flutter along second or third, which is Crypto.com. So they have a token called CRO, and so it was founded in 2016, one of the fastest and most secure cryptocurrency exchanges today. They have probably close to 1,000 different currencies at this point. So again, you can, with Crypto.com, you have less, it's not a public, company like Coinbase where, they're going to be held to standards by the SEC and all that. But Crypto.com with the CRO token is a very interesting type of kind of like speculative exchange to be a part of, or trading platform to buy and sell crypto. So they have less of a commission, so very small commissions. And then they have some more interesting features where once you're becoming a little bit more of an advanced crypto trader, or in the Web3 DeFi world, if you're interested in staking or lending like your stable coins or your cryptocurrency, they have a percentage where you can gain anywhere from like 8 to 12% and a year. And so that, it's an interesting platform there. They also have like a Crypto.com Visa card, like a crypto card basically. And you can earn up to 8% back on your purchases with an NFT marketplace, integration with DeFi. So they're really up and coming. And it'll be interesting to see them. Another one that you can probably use if you're interested at all, and again, the reason I say this is because you want to diversify. You don't want to have all of your money. I would say don't have more than $20,000 to max $50,000 in any one of these platforms, because you don't know. Again, like, this is not investment advice, purely educational, but I've been in the industry almost 10 years now, 5 years penny stocks, 5 years this, and it's just, I understand that there's going to be issues like the Terra Luna, there's going to be hacks. Like, you can make money if you're smart and you're safe and conservative, but you just don't want to have let's just minimize your down risk, right? So that's why I'm talking about these different exchanges, because I've messed around with all of them, and you'll find within using them for a day, max 2 days, like which user interface you're most comfortable with, right? So like kind of like a cartoony, fun type of one, which is one of the first cryptocurrency exchanges ever created. It's called Kraken, right? Kraken, however you pronounce that. Founded in 2011 in San Francisco. It has more than 4 million users. You can trade cryptocurrencies on its platform, of course, and has probably, I would say one of its pros is that it's one of the highest levels of safety and security. So it does allow for margin and leverage, which again is a bit more of a complicated or more of an advanced trading tactic that we talk more about it in pennystock.com, but just something to keep in mind of. And then they have, the cool thing is that I would say their charting and their technical analysis platform is more advanced. So that's kind of where you can actually start looking at technical analysis. They have multiple technical indicators on their charting platform. And, they don't have a large minimum deposit. Again, it's a $10 deposit to get started. But that's why I kind of really like that as well. And then finally, last one, what I do have to say, actually, there's two more. One is Binance. All right. So it's probably the best DeFi coins trading platform for like any small cap, any altcoin. It probably has, if there's 20,000 cryptocurrencies in the world, probably has like 10,000 of them, right? Which is incredible. Like it has probably 5 times more than others. But it's not permitted in the United States. I think they do have Binance US, but with limited capabilities. So they are getting better. Definitely worth checking out. Binance US was like founded in 2019, but Binance itself is more of like a Cayman Islands type company, founded in 2017. So again, it's just outside of the realm of the United States, so that makes me a little uncomfortable. But it is the world's largest crypto brand. Like on an international level, I would say that there's the highest trading volume in the world that happens on Binance. And the great thing is that the Binance trading fees are exceptionally low. So as long as you're not in the United States, I would recommend that Binance is one of your top platforms to use. Again, educational, not investment advice. And that applies to everything you've ever heard about from me. And then finally, what I do want to talk about, though, that I use on the side as well, is because I have gotten into a lot of alt caps and everything, but is Qcoin, right? So Qcoin was founded in like 2017, and it already has over like 10 million users, and it's actually available in like 200 countries. It's probably not founded in the U.S. I believe it is a Chinese company. But the crazy thing about Qcoin is just that it has a little bit of a tricky interface. But as you get more advanced and you want to get into altcoin trading or penny coin trading, that's the way to go. Like, it's one of the best crypto exchanges. It's kind of watched by Forbes. A lot of people have it as like their, okay, if I want to get into like the, speculative trades or so, Qcoin is kind of where to go. So hope that helps. As always, if you guys have any further questions or personal questions related to your situation that you'd like me to help you with, then feel free to reach out to me at admin, that's ADMIN, at inpennystock.com. And last thing here is that if you are interested in a one-on-one coaching session, then just leave a 5-star review or, an honest review here. Send it to us at admin and penny stock, and we'll get you set up with me. I'm looking to build a larger student base of coaching, so hope to see you and hear from you soon. Take care.